Hello, I'm going to show you how to draw an easy maze. First you draw a line. You draw a line next to a line. You draw another line under. You draw another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. The maze is full of lines, but it has to be possible. And after that, you draw a 2 space lines. So you'll have to find a way. And after 2 space lines, to make it harder, you draw another 2 space lines. This way is incorrect. But now we are doing a 3 space lines. You have to be incorrect. Then in the 3 space lines, we draw 2 space lines. We're finished with the maze. Now you have your maze.